Hi
guys,
guys.
it's me, Risha Fernandez, and with my friend Skyly. We're gonna open. She's gonna open some pens. Just if you like, you draw in your arms. Then if you have no tinta, but if you flash art, you have. Then mine is a slime, a yellow slime, and
I think it's a sticky
a
one.
green slime.
You
No,
think
it's a sticky.
Let's open it. Sticky.
Oh, guys, I open it. I know, guys, you're not gonna
Oh.
see me.
Crying.
No. Oh my God, it's sticky slime.
Oh.
Sticky. I'm not gonna open it. Oh, sticky.
It's so sticky, guys. My channel is Cherry Joy.
My channel is Risha Fernandez.
Happy
my-
Place, please.
No. I even
Look at. Let's open the pan right now. Here's what looks like the pan.
Oh my God,
Oh.
it's a sticky.
My, look at the pan.
Look at this is sticky.
Let's draw on
slime.
my.
So
Draw a
sticky,
little
Kylie.
flower.
So sticky. It's a really sticky.
I'm done. And then with
This
a
is for
little
you now.
case. What is that?
It's a plastic. Oh my God, guys, it's so
Okay, let's
sticky.
light it. Oh, there's the light. Oh, look at my flower.
I'm gonna
Look at my flower.
No.
Look at my flower.
Wow, it's so cool, guys.
Look at guys. Oh,
Look
there you don't
at
see.
my hands. Look at my hands, guys.
Oh my, look at you give to me.
That one is a plastic. Look at that. Slime.
Look at this, guys.
I don't want to show you because if you play it, it's sticky. Wait. Oh my God.
Oh my, this is so crazy. How we can turn it back?
Easy peasy.
Oh my, I don't know how to turn it back.
Easy peasy.
Oh look, if you put it, alam mo ba paano mo-prank ganito? This one with a book, and then we open it. First leg is return of the light, and draw some in the paper. There you go. Then you can see what? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with it?
Oh my God, guys.
But
Sticky slime. I know my.
Hoy, huwag ka gagalit ako. Buti naman sa slime siya.
But my slime.
Kakalabalag dyan.
May slime rin naman to eh. Di ba, Kylie?
Kakalabad lang yan ay.
Dati pa to may slime.
oh my, I don't have light anymore. Oh my gosh, I don't have light. Let's see if
Guys, it's not sticky now.
I think it's work on the real light. I
Yes.
think it will work. Let's try. Let's try, guys. I have another pen here and another one. And this one.
So
Where's
sticky.
the light?
Try it.
Really? Let me try it. Oh, it's so sticky. Get it out. Oh my, so sticky, guys.
Go get it. Go get it.
Okay, gonna get out.
Oh my God. Stick on me. Not stick my.
Hey,
I'm gonna.
here's my. I got some more over here. Oh my, this is so sticky, guys.
That was so sticky. Look at my hand.
Look at this. I
Next.
told you it's sticky.
It's not a sticky now. It's not now.
Really? Let me try it.
No. Next, guys, is the yellow one.
Next, guys, is the book. Oh my, I don't have light anymore. I'm gonna wash my hands, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.
No.
See you in the next video.
Wait. Ow.
Ouch.
That was hurt, guys. Okay, I get the yellow one. Then open it. Oh my god.
Bisha, didikit mo na naman
Oh my
dyan.
god.
Ay, naku, lagot ka na yan.
Ew. This one is not cool.
Bisha, oh.
It's fair. It's not fair. Oh. Bili ka ng slime mo ngayon. Bakit isang slime, guys? Wow, it's good.
Ay, nito, ginawa ko na.
Ano?
Ito.
Look at that, my hands, guys! Kylie, alisin mo yung slime na yan.
Okay. Paano? Kunin ko?
Magugas ka rin naman eh.
Rochelle, may slime sa foam.
Kumuha ka ng pasahan yan, ha? Magpapagalitan ka kayo. Bibili mo pa na, sira na itong flashlight file eh.
Hindi ko alam, baka fake. Oh, sorry guys. We're sticking it. The slime on the floor. Dapat na. Dapat kasi.
Ayaw na yung flashlight.
Ayan mo na.
Kumuha ka ng ano niyan. Ako, mapapagalitan kayo kay Lolo niyan. Hugas ka doon, kumuha ka ng basahan.
Oo.
Tsaka wipes.
Oo. Kasi ano? Ay, yung words oh. Andyan. Ano sa basahan din?
Wag na.
Sama bukas.
Hoy, alisin mo ng wipes to.
Pingi. Wala naman eh.
Tama na.
Tama na daw.
Oh.
Yung video, hindi pa ilista.
Ikaw.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
It's sorry, we missed it.